where I've told you that you could create incredible mobile games without ever touching a single line of code. Or better yet, directly from your phone. Whether you're a beginner dream of crafting your first platformer or a creative visionary looking to design a 3D adventure, these game engines have got you covered. From drag and drop simplicity to powerful tools for stunning 2D and 3D worlds. This video will show you the top game engines that make mobile game development easier, faster, and more accessible than ever. Before we start, click the like button. It will really make me move on. Our first mobile game engine is Godot engine. While traditionally known as a desktop engine, Godot has made strides in mobile game development as well. With its open source nature and support for both 2D and 3D games, Godot is perfect for beginners looking to create engaging experiences. Godot uses a unique scene system that allows you to organize your game into reusable components. You can use GDevelop, which is similar to Python, making it accessible for those new to coding. Plus, there are tons of tutorials available online to help you get started. While you may not be able to develop directly on your phone with Godot, you can certainly use it to create games that will run beautifully on mobile devices. Imagine designing your own platformer or RPG and then exporting it for Android or iOS. Godot makes that possible. Next up is GDevelop, an incredible open source game engine designed specifically for beginners. What sets GDevelop apart is its no-code approach, perfect for those who might feel intermediate by programming. With GDevelop's intuitive drag-and-drop interface, you can create games quickly by simply adding objects and defining their behaviors using an event-based system. It's great for making 2D games like platformers or puzzle games without needing any coding knowledge. You can even preview your game directly on your mobile device while developing it. This means instant feedback and adjustments as you create. GDevelop truly empowers anyone to bring their game ideas to life without the steep learning curve. Our third tool is Stru 3D, an innovative mobile app that allows you to create 3D games right from your smartphone. Stru provides a user-friendly interface where you can design levels, add characters, and customize gameplay mechanics without any coding required. With its library of assets and intuitive controls, Stru makes it easier for anyone to start building their own 3D worlds. You can even publish your game directly within the app, sharing them with a community of creators. Imagine crafting your own immersive 3D adventure or action game all for the palm of your hand. Stru is perfect for those who want to experiment with 3D game design without the complexities of traditional development tools. Fourth on our list is Tab Engine, a unique tool designed for rapid game prototyping. Tab Engine allows you to create simple games quickly using a straightforward drag-and-drop interface. What's great about Tab Engine is its focus on mobile-first design. You can build prototypes directly on your phone and test them out in real time. This makes it an excellent choice for developers who want to iterate quickly and refine their ideas before diving deeper into development. Whether you're looking to create casual games or interactive experiences, Tab Engine provides the tools you need to bring your concepts to life without getting bogged down in technical details. Last but not least is Max2D, a powerful tool specifically tailored for creating stunning 2D games on mobile devices. Max2D offers a comprehensive suite of features that allow you to design characters, levels, and animations all from your phone. With its easy-to-use interface and built-in tutorials, Max2D makes it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features for more experienced developers. You can create beautiful pixel art or vector graphics and export your projects directly for iOS or Android. Imagine crafting a visually captivating side-scroller or an engaging puzzle game all while on the go. Max2D empowers creators to unleash their creativity wherever they are. Watch this video to know the 10 best free and open source game engines.